Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude's behind the camera, and we are all about life made simple, ordinary, and joyful. Now, did someone forget to tell you that they invited a bunch of guys over for Super Bowl? We have a super easy recipe for you if you're looking for a last minute snack. And these aren't just great for Super Bowl Sundays, but they're also great for a side for dinner. The kids love these smashed potatoes with garlic and Parmesan topping. We're not huge football fans or hockey fans for that matter, but when it comes to championship games, we're all over it. And mainly it's because of the snacks. This recipe is gonna go super fast, so pay attention. I've got 2 pounds of baby creamer potatoes, and I already have a cup of water in my Instant Pot with a trivet at the bottom, and I'm just gonna dump these in. And would you believe that's it? I'm gonna put the lid on.
That is
Fastest recipe ever. Locking it into place, putting the sealing knob on sealing, and we're gonna cook them for 5 minutes on high pressure. In the meantime, we'll prepare the rest of it. While the potatoes are cooking, you can prepare the rest of the ingredients, which is not a lot. I melted 6 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, and I'm going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic right into the butter. And if you don't want to use all butter, you can also just use maybe half butter, half olive oil. But the butter really does give it that extra delicious flavor. And if you want it more garlicky, you can always add more garlic. And if you don't want it as garlicky, you can always cut down the garlic. It's really up to you. There's no fast rule about it. And then just stir that around just to separate the garlic, because we're going to spoon this over our smashed potatoes. Oh my goodness, it smells so good because the butter was still warm and now it's heated up some of the garlic. It smells delicious. All right, moving on. I'm grating some Parmesan cheese. I know this doesn't look like a lot, but this is just a little bit that came off. And I'm finely grating it. You can use a bigger grater if you want. This is the bigger chunk of cheese. I'm aiming for about 2 tablespoons to 1/4 cup. And again, you can add more or less, it's up to you. And you know, as much as I love chips and dips, there's something about just warm, yummy, buttery and garlic flavored potatoes, whether they be fries or these smashed potatoes, that just takes everything up another level.
I love me some guacamole and chips and other dips, but yeah, when you work in that warm snack,
Yeah, it makes all the difference, right?
all the difference. Remember that bread that you made? It was bloomin' cheese bread.
Oh my goodness, that was delicious. Might have to do that too.
Yep. And then take some lactase pills before consuming said snack.
All right, just a little tip for you. These rinds from the back of the Parmesan cheese, I like to wrap it up and just throw them in the freezer. And then when I'm making soups and stuff, you just toss it into the soup. Just make sure you scoop it out before you serve your soup. Otherwise, someone's going to end up with one big salty chunk of Parmesan.
Surprise.
I happen to have some Italian parsley in the fridge. So I'm just going to chop up the leaves for a little bit of garnish. If you don't have fresh, you can always use dried parsley and toss that in with your butter and garlic, like maybe a teaspoon. All right, we quick released the steam and pressure, and look at that, they're already done. Yummy. You just put them straight on my sheet pan, and I've already preheated my broiler. You can see when I start to get impatient, instead of picking up just one at a time, I'll take 2, and then that's when I cause problems.
What kind of problems?
I don't know, like dropping potatoes.
Oh yeah, that's true.
All right, Now it's the smashing part. My son, who doesn't even like potatoes, will gobble these up. And if you don't have these little baby potatoes, you can always just use regular potatoes and quarter them and still squish them. All right, garlic butter, here we come.
Cue the food music.
Just make sure you scoop down because there's a lot of garlic at the bottom that wasn't being transferred.
You only realize that now, girl?
No, I knew it at the beginning. I just didn't know how much was in there. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to some of these that feel like they're lacking.
Leave no garlic behind.
Okay, just season with salt and pepper, however much you would like. Remember this Parmesan is a little bit salty as well. And pepper. And again, just use as much as you like. And if you don't like pepper, just omit it altogether. And we're going to put a little bit of this Parmesan cheese on each one. And I'm just going to put these in the oven under the broiler for 5 to 6 minutes until they start to brown and get a little bit crispy. I'm so excited.
It looks amazing.
I think the Italian parsley really does add some freshness to it, but if it's too fancy for your guys, just omit them. All right, I know you all are waiting for.
The taste. Guys, really, I'm a big fan of just chips all day long and chips and dip and guac all day long, but there's something to be said about something like this. It doesn't take very much. It looks upscale and deluxe, but as you've seen, it's pretty straightforward to put together and you can customize it however you want. I'm gonna go in, take one for the team, probably gonna burn my fingers, burn my tongue, my lips, but you know what, for you guys? Gonna do it. Oh my goodness, burn setting in right about now. I don't know how close you can get to the potato, but the Instant Pot manages to make the potato nice and soft through and through. See how tender that is? And then you get a crispy crust from the broiling, and it smells amazing. The aroma is so fragrant. I'm just stalling because I don't want to burn my mouth. Wow, that potato is cooked perfectly. Nice and tender on the inside. And that butter, that garlicky butter, went right through that potato. So good, so good. And the cheese in there, the Parmesan, It's worth burning my tongue. Hot.
All right, dude, thanks so much.
Yep.
As you can see, these were incredibly easy and yummy snacks to make. Check out my other delicious snack videos over there and enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.